Hi there, I'm Kerri Lawless, and today I'm going to show you this spacious yet cozy home right here in Slidell. Let's go in and check it out. Right as you walk in the front door, there is a very convenient coat closet right here, which I love. Then we walk into the first of two great living spaces. One of the things I love so much about this space is this beautiful whitewashed brick fireplace. Such a cozy yet beautiful focal point. Then we have some built-in shelving and cabinetry here, great storage. And then as we walk over here, here's this huge wall to accommodate whatever size TV that you have. All right, let's go on into the kitchen. I just love the fact that this living room is open to this kitchen. This is such a great layout. We even have granite tile countertops. It's so neutral and beautiful in here. Then we head right on into this nice cozy dining area. Plenty of seating for 6 here. What a great layout. Right past here is the 2-car garage, and then we have a nice pantry here. Let's go check out the rest. Look at these beautiful French doors. I love them so much. So I'm heading from the dining room into this multi-purpose space. This space is such a bonus for this home. First of all, it could be used as a 4th bedroom, but it could also be used as a very generous bonus space for office and guest, or just a very large office space. All right, we're gonna go check out one of my favorite spaces, the family room. There is so much to love about this family room. First of all, it is huge. There's so much space in here. There are so many possibilities for this room. The way we have it right now, there is a dining area right here. Of course, this is seating for 2, but this could easily be a dining table for 6 people. The other thing we have on this side of the room is the living area. So again, like an open concept entertaining space, but there's so many possibilities here. This could be a game room, you could put a pool table, it could be another huge office, whatever your needs are. This room is fantastic, not to mention all the natural light just flooding in. Let's go check out the bedrooms. On this side of the hall, the first thing we come to is the shared bath. There's so much bright light in here. I just love that. And there's also nice, rich cabinetry, and it even has a linen closet. All right, on to the bedrooms. This is the first of the 3 bedrooms, and I just love how much natural light is flooding into this room. It's also very spacious, and it even has a nice size closet onto bedroom 2. Bedroom number 2 is even more spacious, and again, so much natural light. And it even has a walk-in closet with shelves and hanging on both sides. So nice to have all that storage onto the primary. And here it is. And now we're at the other end of the hall, and there is so much space in here. I mean, there's a king-size bed, again with the natural light, and there is a very generous sized closet onto the bathroom. In this room coming in, we have the linen closet, which is so nice for storage, again with the warm, dark cabinetry, and we even have a tiled stand-up shower. All right, let's check out the yard. I just love this backyard. Look at how spacious it is, and it's fenced all the way around. Then we come to this really nice covered patio. It's so nice and breezy under here. This is a great place to enjoy time with family and friends. You could even add a few little string lights, make it even more festive. This is such a great house. Make your appointment today. My name is Kerri Lawless.